For the credit of heat island reduction, we're gonna need to focus on the ground and on the roof. So for the roof, we're gonna need to have high reflectance, like means that our roof has to be in certain color or certain materials that reflect the sun from entering in our building. We can use also a green roof, which is grow a garden on the roof, but it has to be by using local plants. And also, we want to take into account that if an area of my roof is used for something like a tennis court or helipad or a soccer court or something like that, that specific area has to be treated as the ground rules. What are the ground rules? The ground rules are it needs to be covered by real trees. So please don't use fake grass. It has to be covered by solar umbrellas, which means that solar panels are collecting energy for your building at the same time you are shading that space. And smart materials. So the colors that you're gonna use uh, will be able to reflect the solar gains from the building. Everything needs to be reflective, not just the color of the materials, but also any material surrounding that structure. Before wrapping up in this topic, another thing that you should take in consideration is that 70% of the total amount of parkings available, if you are able to make it cover, you can claim up to 1 point for this grade. That's it. You don't gonna need to make too many calculations and just make sure that is happening. Light pollution reduction is all about that about don't wasting energy in form of light. Just simple like that. So the method is named book. Book stands for bad light, uplight, and glare. So we're gonna take a look at those three different aspects. Backlight is basically I'm gonna set an imaginary pole at the end of my property, and any light beyond that I'm affecting the property of my neighbor. Uplight means that the lighting of my building, of my property, is reflecting on the sky. If that is happening, means that I'm wasting energy. And glare, I'm trying to reduce the glare because that is something that we should avoid for the environment and for the people as well, for the visual health of the people. So, how are we gonna measure that? So, there are different uh, zones that are. I put it here on the screen, and you can see there are 5 different zones. L set 0 to 4, and then it says where is wilderness area, or even if it's a rural area, residential area, commercial area, or major city. So you're gonna choose one of those, and then depending on where your building is, you're gonna have a maximum of lumens that you can trespass. For from the zone number 1, 0%, nothing can be trespassed beyond your property, and for L set 4 up to 6%, you can trespass.